10 Weird Things We've Learned About the Mind and Consciousness. Number 10. Our brains can experience bullet time. Imagine a real-life version of the Matrix's bullet time, where time slows and you see bullets in midair. It might sound like fiction, but it could be real. Simon Baker, during an aneurysm, saw water droplets freeze in the shower. People with epilepsy or strokes have also reported time distortions, like watching a dubbed movie. We're not sure why this happens, but it reveals the amazing and unexpected capabilities of our brains. Number 9. Electrifying your brain could make you smarter and happier. Want to boost your brain? Some scientists say electrifying it might help. It's not as intense as you think. Transcranial direct current stimulation, TDCS, uses a gentle current. Home kits are out there, but beware of DIY versions. While TDCS is being tested for depression and focus improvement, be careful, it's not a DIY experiment yet. Stay tuned as trials continue, and for now, leave the brain's apps to the experts. Number 8. Movies can influence how we experience amnesia. Ever seen 50 First Dates? Imagine living that, like Drew Barrymore, due to a car crash. Surprisingly, it happened to a woman in real life in 2005. While it sounds like a movie gimmick, her amnesia was influenced by the film. This type of amnesia is called dissociative amnesia, where our reaction to trauma reflects what we believe it should be. It's like our minds play tricks on us. And that's not the only odd case. A woman's intense orgasm once wiped out a day of her memory. Our brains sure know how to surprise us. Number 7. Even our brains can't understand our dreams. Imagine your screen morphing into butterflies with your mom's screaming head. Sounds crazy, right? But in dreams, we just go with it. Recent research shows our brains might give up trying to make sense of dreams, making them even weirder than our wildest waking fantasies. Scientists found that a brain region linked to language learning gets quiet when dreams turn super bizarre. So, even our brains get baffled by the illogical stories they create. Dreams, the ultimate mind-bending theater. Number 6. AI dreams are even stranger than human ones. Ever wondered if Google can dream? Well, kind of. Using layers of artificial neural networks, it processes images and learns from zillions of pictures. Sometimes, it gets things hilariously wrong, like dumbbells with human arms. But the real magic happens when Google's software starts creating its own images, like a digital dream. Imagine mountains turning into houses and landscapes defying physics. If this is the future of AI, get ready for a wild, trippy ride ahead. Number 5. A condition can stop you from making mental pictures. Ever heard of mind's eye? It's how we picture things mentally. But, shockingly, 1 in 50 people can't do it at all. This is called aphantasia. Imagine not being able to recall your mom's face after she's gone. That's what some experience. They can remember facts but no mental images. If this sounds like you, take a quick test to find out. You might have aphantasia without even knowing it. Number 4. Synesthesia may be learned. Ever imagine tasting colors or seeing music? It's called synesthesia, a fascinating condition. While you might think you're born with it, a study suggests you could learn parts of it. People linked letters with colors, matching a popular magnet set. This hints that synesthesia has a learning side. You might not become a full synesthete, but learning some of it could boost memory and IQ. It's like adding a touch of magic to your senses. Number 3. Our brain prints may be unique. Ever thought of identifying people through their brain patterns, like fingerprints? Scientists at Yale did just that using functional connectivity MRI, fMRI. They found each brain's unique connections, achieving 99% accuracy in picking individuals out of a group. It's like a brain fingerprint, even while doing different tasks. One person's brain looks more alike than 2 different brains doing the same thing. While we have fingerprints and DNA, this shows how incredibly one-of-a-kind our minds are. Number 2. Different workouts affect our brains in different ways. Tired of brain training games that might not work? Here's a better way to boost your mind. Exercise. Aerobic workouts are like mind medicine. Recent research shows different exercises can help with specific mental goals. Just like you choose workouts for your body, you can choose exercises for your mind. Want to ace exams, beat cravings, or unleash creativity? Exercise is your brain's superfood. Skip the games, grab your sneakers, and let's sweat for a smarter you. Number 1. No one will notice if aliens take over your brain. Remember the creepy movie Invasion of the Body Snatchers? What if it could happen for real? Recent experiments show we're surprisingly bad at spotting if someone's being controlled. Dr. Alex Gillespie secretly communicated through others, and no one noticed. An 11-year-old impressed adults with knowledge, but they thought he was older. Even wired to chatbots, people couldn't tell. So, pod people could be around us, and we'd never know. Next time you talk, who's really listening? It might not be who you think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.